Let's get started with your Dailies Aqua Comfort Plus contact lenses. Always be sure to wash and thoroughly dry your hands with a clean, lint-free towel before you begin. Gently shake the pack before opening. Peel back the foil lid. Pour the lens into the palm of your hand, or if necessary, slide the lens out of the container using your forefinger. Now take a close look. If the lens is shaped like this, with a perfectly round edge, it's ready for application. If it has a flared edge, it's inside out. Flip it over. Now it's ready to apply. With your clean, dry hands, place the contact lens on the tip of your index finger. Then look into the mirror. Using your free hand's middle finger, hold the upper eyelid upward, then take the opposite hand's middle finger and slowly pull the lower eyelid downward. Once your eye is open like this, gently slide the contact lens onto the center of your eye. Let go of your eyelid, blink, and open your eyes. And that's it. You're ready to go. Now you know just how easy it is to use Dailies Aqua Comfort Plus contact lenses. Blink, refresh, enjoy.